Whenever we visit doctor, he uses to auscultate us with his stethoscope, and there are some points where he uses to auscultate
Are aortic point, pulmonic point, tricuspid point, mitral point, and Erb's point. Always have this in your mind. All people enjoy Time magazine, which is the mnemonic for auscultating areas. Have you ever thought before, is there any other heart sounds? Of course, there are 4 heart sounds: S1, S2, S3, S4. S1 is lub, S2 is dub. Lub and dub are the only classical sounds which we hear during auscultations. The other sounds can be recorded in phonocardiogram. The first soft heart sound is lub, marks the beginning of ventricular systole. It is mainly due to the closure of atrioventricular valves, mitral valve or bicuspid valve, and tricuspid valves. Its duration is just about 0.15 seconds. It can be felt in the carotid artery. Since mitral valve closes just before tricuspid valve, splitting is possible but merged because of their low pins, so it cannot be auscultated in a healthy person. If auscultated, it's a pathological condition. The lub sound increases during exercise, hyperkinetic circulatory states like anemia, beriberi, and hypertension, and it decreases during shock, acute myocardial infarction, cardiac myopathy, pericardial effusion, obesity, and emphysema. The second heart sound dub marks the end of ventricular systole. It is primarily due to the closure of semilunar valves. Its duration is about 0.12 seconds. It can be felt during inspiration, and the splitting of second heart sound is due to the closure of mitral valve before the pulmonary valve. Since it's high pitched, it can be auscultated easily. When pulmonary valve closes earlier to aortic valve closure, the condition is called reverse splitting. This occurs when the left ventricle takes more time to empty than the right ventricle. It is seen in the left bundle branch block and in the left ventricular failure. Third sound of the heart is usually not heard, though it is always prominently detected in phonocardiogram. Sometimes it may be heard in children and in young adults. It is usually heard in conditions in which the circulation becomes hyperkinetic. A third sound can arise from either side of the heart, but it usually arises from the mitral side of the left ventricle. It is attributed to rapid ventricular filling and is found in relatively hyperkinetic circulation in young persons. It is heard in diseases in which mitral diastolic flow is increased. It is an important sign of heart failure. Since the atrial pressure is increased, the ventricle is filled rapidly. It may be heard shortly after myocardial infarction. The fourth heart sound or atrial sound is so called. It is produced during the atrial contraction. It is never heard in normal individuals. Presence of the fourth heart sound is always considered as abnormal. It is caused by atrial contraction. It is of low pitch and occurs just before the first sound, that is the late in the diastole. It indicates increased stiffness or non-compliance of the ventricles. It is heard in left ventricular hypertrophy due to hypertension, myocardial infarction, pulmonary embolism, and pulmonary hypertension. Triple rhythm consists of 3 heart sounds. The first and second heart sounds, and the sound that of third can be either the third or fourth heart sound. When the heart rate increases to more than 100 per minute, the triple rhythm is called gallop rhythm because it produces a typical cadence of the gallop of a horse. The individual sounds cannot be identified separately. If the gallop is due to the third heart sound, it is called protodiastolic gallop, and due to the fourth heart sound, it is called presystolic gallop. Every one of us might have heard about murmurs before. Murmurs differ from heart sounds in the sense that these are of longer duration and higher frequency, whereas heart sounds have shorter duration and lower frequency. We have to notice the following points when murmur is present. First one, site of origin. The point of maximal intensity indicates its site of origin. Radiation. From the site of maximum intensity, auscultation is performed in different directions to detect whether the murmur is localized or conducted to other parts. Character, timing, and duration. With respiration. During inspiration, the stroke volume of the right ventricle increases while that of the left ventricle decreases. Therefore, any murmur becoming louder during inspiration is considered to originate from right ventricle, and during expiration it is attributed to originate from left ventricle of the heart. Thanks for watching. For further updates from MBBS Artists, click on the Instagram link below. Thank you all.